Have you ever seen a chemical reaction written like this? Hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. But scientists don't just write reactions randomly. Therefore, scientists always write a chemical equation that follows the law of conservation of mass. H2 plus O2 gives us H2O. And that is why we balance chemical equation. 2H2 plus O2 gives us 2H2O. Number of atoms of each element must be equal on both sides of reactant and product. Mass is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. This is called law of conservation of mass. To balance chemical equation, scientists use law of conservation of mass. Remember few golden rules to balance chemical equation. Balance one element at a time. Adjust coefficient only, never subscripts. If you see O2, H2s, and 2 Cal to balance them at the end. Number of atoms of each element on the left must be equal to right side, for example. Balancing following chemical equation. Atoms of each element written on left is termed as reactant and on right as product. Step 1. Count the atoms on both sides. Whenever you see hydrogen and oxygen, balance first oxygen, then hydrogen. Step 2. Balance oxygen first. There are 2 oxygen atoms on the left, O2, and 1 on the right, H2O. So we put 2 before H2O. Now oxygen become balanced 2 atoms each side. Step 3. Now we balance hydrogen. Since to balance oxygen on right, we already put 2 in front of water molecule, which results 4 atom of hydrogen in the right. Now we balance hydrogen on the left by putting 2 in front of hydrogen gas, which gives us 4 atom of hydrogen. Step 4. Final check. Now hydrogen is 4 on left and 4 on the right. Oxygen is 2 on left and 2 is on right. Therefore equation is balanced. Balancing following chemical equation. Nitrogen and hydrogen reacts together, resulting ammonia gas is formed. Step 1. Count the nitrogen and hydrogen atoms on both sides. Step 2. Balance nitrogen first. There are 2 nitrogen atoms on the left and 1 nitrogen atom on the right. So we put 2 before ammonia. Now nitrogen become balanced 2 atoms each side. Balancing following chemical equation. Nitrogen and hydrogen reacts together, resulting ammonia gas is formed. Step 1. Count the nitrogen and hydrogen atoms on both sides. Step 2. Balance nitrogen first. There are 2 nitrogen atoms on the left and 1 nitrogen atom on the right. So we put 2 before ammonia. Now nitrogen become balanced 2 atoms each side. Step 3. Now we balance hydrogen. Since on the right side there is 2 NH3 or 6 hydrogen atoms, so we put 3 before H2, the left side. Now 6 hydrogen atoms on the left, which is equal to the right side of hydrogen. Step. Final check. Nitrogen on 2 and on the right 2. Hydrogen on left 6 and on the right 6. Therefore final balanced equation will be N2 plus 3H2 gives us 2NH3. Balancing following chemical equation. C2H4 reacts with O2, produces carbon dioxide and water molecule. Step 1. Count the atoms on both sides. Carbon on the left 2 and on right 1. Hydrogen on the left 4 and on right 2. Oxygen left 2 and on right 3. Step 2. Balance carbon first. There are 2 carbon atoms on the left, C2, and 1 carbon atom, C. So we put 2 before CO2. Now carbon, balance 2 atoms each side. Step 3. Balance hydrogen. Since 4 atom of hydrogen on left, so we put 2 in front of H2O to get 4 atom of hydrogen in the right. Step 4. Balance oxygen. Now, oxygen. On left only 2 oxygen atom, while on right side of equation, oxygen is 6, therefore, we put 3 in front of oxygen on left side. Step 4. Final check. 2 carbon atom on left and in the right 2. 4 hydrogen atom on the left and the right 4. 6 oxygen atom on the left and 6 in the right. Since atom of each element on the left and right is equal. Finally, equation is balanced.
Thank you for joining us in this journey through balancing of chemical equation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing science content.